Hello, the Chef George from the Even by George Catering Company. Today, let's cook the delicious Ratatouille. It's very simple and you can eat for vegan, vegetarian, any kind of person can eat this one with any kind of restriction. Ingredients for the Ratatouille is the typical French plate. We have pepper, olive oil, extra virgin, salt, yellow squash, eggplant, onions, pepper, zucchini, crushed tomatoes, and parsley for decoration. In a fry pan, we add 2 spoons of olive oil, extra virgin. We start with the zucchini. Add the zucchini. We add the yellow squash and mix all together. We add the peppers. We add the onions. And in this point, we put salt for the preparation. Salt and pepper. We mix again, all together. Finally, we add the tomatoes. At the end, we add the eggplant because have the softer consistence than the rest of the vegetables. And we mix all together. For to make integrate all flavors in the preparation. When all vegetables are tender, look how beautiful. Add the ratatouille. Now I show you the presentation. This is the final result. We sprinkle with the fresh parsley for the decoration for the client. Look how beautiful it is. This one is the very nice for vegetarian and vegan people. I hope that you enjoy. Like, share. Your comments are very important for us. We made every day the new recipe for our YouTube channel. And we made any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.